Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are going to learn here how to record our presentation. As you know, many of you maybe find difficult to record the presentation from PowerPoint, and also has found issue to upload it to Moodle. So with this this feature, by using Google Meet to record our presentation, is less we can spend less effort, and also we can share it easily to others in Moodle, or by sending to email. The good thing also with this feature, that you don't use your computer space, or you don't use any other resources in your network. So you will just use in your company, or you're in your university, uh, it will use only Google service, and Google will take care also handling this the process of recording, and also the video will also saved in cloud, so in your Google Drive. I'll show you now. You go to Meet, okay, and we start a new meeting session for our recording. We name it like lecture 1, or you put here your lecture title. So we continue. We just go and join. So you don't need to invite others, or anybody to join you this meeting session. It's just for recording, and you will find this window. Just click X here, ignore it. And before we present our presentation, we need to open our PowerPoint. Keep it open, okay, and we go back here and click on present, and we choose here a window, and we select here our presentation, and then click share. Okay, after that it will take you directly to your PowerPoint, okay, but we need to go back, okay, and click on these dots to start recording your presentation. So from this menu, we'll choose the first one, that record meeting, okay, and click on accept. You may find here some before to use your microphone, you have to allow it. Okay, now you have to wait till this becomes red. Okay, after that we go back to our PowerPoint, and you can just make it full screen, and start talking while it's recording. Start talking in for your lecture, and you can explain what you want to explain in this lecture, and move to the slides, slide by slide, until you finish your presentation. So here we finished recording our presentation. We go back to, we minimize this one, we go back here, and then we click here to show this bar, and click on here again to stop the recording. So after we stop recording, we stop also presenting. We don't need to present anything else. So that's it. You have recorded your presentation, your PowerPoint presentation. So how to share this video, and where is it? So after you finish recording your presentation, you will find it in your Google Drive. So we go to our email, we click on these dots and click on Drive. On the left side, you will find here list. We click on the arrow of My Drive. Then you will find a new folder becomes here, Meet Recordings. But you may not find it after you finish recording, because it may take time. So you have to be patient and wait, because usually the processing of video, it takes time. So you may give some times to see this folder appearing here. Okay, after few minutes, or after 1 minute, 2 minutes, you will find that this folder is here, and you will see your recordings. So let's see if this one, our recording, after last recording, we click on it. You can open it and double click on it to see it, if it is the one or not. And then we by right click, we go here to share, and you don't need to type name, because you will send it widely for the students, and you need also to share it in your Moodle. So you go here, get share link, shareable link, and from here, it's better that we go here more to edit the permission. We select anyone with the link. So anyone with the link can see our lecture recording. So we save that one, because you can manage and give it to anyone want to see your lecture. So don't give the edit option, so they can only view your presentation, your video. After that, we copy this link. Okay, that's it. And now we can see it. You can copy that link to your Moodle course, or we can see it here in another browser and copy the link. So we can open our recorded presentation, and the student can open it from Moodle. You don't need to upload a video, so it doesn't need more time to have a big video, and take time maybe to upload it also. So this is very easy to share, and you can send this link as well to your any of your students by email. If you want to get that link again, you'll need to go back to your Google Drive, okay, and go to Meet Recordings, then right click on that video, and get shareable link. So you get shareable link, it will copy automatically to your clipboard, then you can paste it anywhere. That's all, and I hope you learned from this, and it's a better way to record your presentation, and easily you can share it to your students. So the videos will not be saved in your hard disk. It will not take space from your computer. It will remain in the Google Cloud in your account. So you don't worry about how to handle these videos. Google will take care of that. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed